Last September, Barbados underwent an assessment for the designation of a World Health Organization National Influenza Center. It successfully completed the process, which means it can now undertake specialized diagnostics, contribute to global flu surveillance, and provide critical data in the fight against influenza and pandemics. At a special ceremony to recognize the achievement, Prime Minister Mia Moore-Motley said Barbados has shown it is possible to reach global excellence.
To have this designation by the World Health Organization says to the rest of the world that this lab has reached these standards and is capable of being trusted. And that's the most important word in here. And therefore, for us to have a lab that can be truly trusted with respect to its results, it doesn't mean that there's always perfection, but it means that the systems and the processes are those that are worthy of trust, and that if something goes wrong, that we can easily and quickly determine what has happened in order to get back on the straight and narrow path.
Prime Minister Motley also pointed out that Barbados has been synonymous with excellence in the journey of public health improvement in the Caribbean and the Americas over the last century, and would want to continue to assert itself in that regard. But she says Barbados cannot continue to make investments and not create avenues of enterprise for its citizens.
This country cannot continue to invest as we are doing millions and hundreds of millions of dollars in ensuring that our citizens can be the best that they can be by studying at the University of the West Indies, and then not have opportunities for them to remain in the land of their birth or the land that they choose to really want to live in, simply because we do not have the opportunities for them to work.
Director of the Best of Santos Lab, the Most Honorable Dr. Sonji Beckles, says the journey to this designation started in 2008, following an amalgamation of 3 local labs.
Based on what we want to achieve, become the National Influenza Center, it's definitely on the horizon. We can definitely do this. We went back and we looked to see what we had documented, review what the requirements were from WHO. And we said, okay, let's make sure that we have everything in place. We had our assessment in September of 2023, and the official notification coming back to the ministry saying stamp of approval. We saw it in February of this year. And we were so excited. And everybody started to scream, and I told them we got it. And we were so excited. So we were really happy.
Dr. Beckles is ecstatic about the achievement and all that her team has accomplished. She's confident of furthering the lab's overall capacity after playing a critical role in the national fight against COVID-19, with over 800,000 tests being processed. Andrew Lowe, CBC News.